State. So I would
Hello,
favor
YouTube.
them, in this game. The Hurricanes are really good.
This is Mark Woods with another video. Just want to give y'all a quick look at the amp rack. I mean, usually I stop and tell you guys what I'm doing though, but this time I was just in such a hurry. I mean, this time I was in such a working mode. I didn't want to stop and then explain to you guys.
I would say that the toughest
look at that,
matchup
man.
is probably Arizona because they're playing Houston. Houston, as you know, went to the Final Four last year.
I really think I outdid myself this time. I mean, my God.
Houston lost Marcus Sasser.
It's going to fit right in the car, by the way.
For the year, so they've not had them. And I don't want to say they've
The tweeter is going to be almost close to the ceiling, but not way close to the ceiling.
And they're just unbelievable.
Tell me, man, what do you guys think? It's hard work, man. Hard work at its best.
And if you watched Arizona against TCU,
Next, I'll be doing the balancer for that's the last thing I got to do. I've been taking you guys through little steps of what I've been doing.
They've got the best athlete in the floor.
But man, check it out.
So Arizona is the better team, I would say.
I know I'm
assist a game. And Benedict
I'm gonna hook the wires up on the back of here, as you can see.
TCU. Christian Coloco
Yep.
had 28.
Once I take this downstairs, I'm gonna clean this house up so perfect, man.
It's a different kind of challenge.
Now I can focus on getting things really clean in here. Man, came out nice, man. Not bad for an amateur. That's right, I am an amateur. I don't admit to being a professional. I do know a couple of them though, by the way, but I'm not one of them. But man, I am proud of my development though. You know, if you proud of your development when it comes to bass, let me know. All right, I hope you all enjoyed the video, and if you do, smash the like button. If you're new and love car audio and wants to learn car audio, please consider subscribing. This is Mark Woods. I'm out.